please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor.
Nabalot ng tensyon ang 15 araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte dahil sa ilang beses na banggaan ni Prosecution Counsel Lorna Capunan at defense lawyer Christine Ferrer. Sa isang punto ng paglilitis, uminit ang ulo ni Capunan nang hilingin ni Ferrer kay Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero kung pwedeng utusan niya ang testigong si Sailin Del Campo ng Commission on Audit na sagutin ang tanong yes or no lamang. Tanong kasi ng abogado ng bise, nakasaad ba sa joint circular na batayan sa paggamit ng confidential funds na dapat may mahuling tao para may pruwebang matagumpay ang surveillance activities. Sumagot naman si Del Campo pero agad sumabat si Ferrer, bagay na inalmahan ng prosekusyon.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels,
Sa puntong yan, nakiusap na si Escudero sa mga abogado.
let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
I promise to henceforth behave.
I have high respect for Attorney Capunan. In fact, she's one of
You
my
can end there,
idols.
counsel.
It might sound like a eulogy, Your Honor. I'm still very much alive.
Umani rin ang reaksyon ang naging pahayag ni Ferrer. Sa social media post si Prosecution Counsel Amando Ligutan, pinaalalahanan niya ang mga kapwa-abogado at law students na bawal ang misleading questions sa cross-examination. Ang post na yan sinumbong ni Lead Defense Counsel Sheila Sison sa impeachment court bago matapos ang paglilitis. Paliwanag niya pa, hindi raw iyon ang ibig sabihin ni Ferrer.
I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar. She was pertaining to the fact that the questions to which a yes or no answer may be answerable are allowed. She's not referring to misleading.
Pero buwelta dyan ng prosekusyon, wag i-gaslight ang bansa dahil malinaw daw ang sinabi ni Ferrer.
Wala akong pwedeng sisihin yung pong depensa dito, except yung mga sarili po nila, mga kaibigan. Kasi kung very sharp to the draw, yung pong defense on the conversation and the tit for tat during the trial itself, Ms. Ferrer would know na hindi ho yun yung dapat niyang sinagot nung pong panahon na yun.
Sa Lunes, August 17, bibigyan ng pagkakataon si Ligutan na sagutin si Sison. Pero matapos ang manifestation ng Defense Counsel, nagbabala na si Escudero na posible siyang maglabas ng ruling hinggil sa umunay paglabag ng ilang abogado sa subjudice rule, kung saan bawal nilang talakayin ang merits ng kaso sa publiko. Sa pagmumonitor raw kasi ng korte, tila sumusobra ng ilan sa kanilang mga pahayag. Bago ang sagutan sa misleading questions, nagkabanggaan rin ang dalawa nang sabihin ni Capunan na ang kopya na lang nila ng Audit Observation Memorandum sa paggamit ni Duterte ng confidential funds ang ipakita sa witness sa halip na dokumento ng defense.
I am showing the defense document.
No, we will
No,
not agree.
Your Honor, the counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed with
Honor.
my cross-examination.
Precisely, there was no stipulation yesterday.
There
They
was,
are
Your
now
Honor.
constrained. Excuse me, counsel. They are now constrained to use our documents precisely. This is what we wanted to avoid yesterday.
Isa rin sa matinding oposisyon ng prosekusyon nang tanungin ni Ferrer ang testigo kung authorized ba ang House Justice Committee na mag-audit ng confidential funds sa ilalim ng joint circular.
If they're making a point that this witness, that the COA witnesses here, Your Honor, are here to testify because they're scared of the budget for their agency or they're scared of this congressman, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is already beyond cross-examining. This is beyond relevance, Your Honor.
Counsel-
This is already immaterial and irrelevant.
The counsel is preempting my questions. I will not be asking questions on the budget.
Para sa mga impormasyong napapanahon at on-demand Lance Mexico, Newswatch Plus.